Hi everyone, my name is Gauri and welcome back all of you in today's new video. Friends, today I'm going to talk about how to overcome the fear of English speaking and how to speak fluent English without hesitation. Yes, absolutely. When you try to speak in English, when you try to learn this language, we always feel a lot of hesitation, and that's why we are not able to speak fluent English. First of all, one thing I just want to clear with all of you that English is just a language. So you don't have to pressurize yourself that English is something different and for that which we have to do extra efforts and extra things and all. No, it's not like that. It's just a language and it's very easy. Believe me, English is very easy language. Initially you feel that it is very difficult, but after over a period of time you will going to say that yes, English is very easy language and everyone can speak English. Yes, but most of the people are not able to speak English. Why? Because they are feeling hesitation about English. They are feeling hesitation while they are they want to speak anything in English. So first, friend, you also remember that things, that hesitation you are feeling, that is not only with you. All the people, all the English learners who are trying to speak in English, they all feel same hesitation. That is not going to happen with you, only you. Everyone is facing the same problem. But after that, so many people are speaking fluent English. Even our small kids, even uneducated people, they are speaking fluent English. Why? Yes, if some people are just overcome from their hesitation, and that's why they are able to speak fluent English. This is very simple way to be fluent in English, that whenever you start to speak in English, you will feel hesitation because English is our second language and we are not comfortable to speak in English. But you don't think from that prospect, you just focus on your practice. Whatever practice every day you are doing, just focus on practice. In the initial stage you will feel a lot of hesitation, but don't stop. If you stop, then you will stop forever. Don't stop your practice. I agree, in the initial stage we feel little bit nervous that every day I am practicing, every day I am just doing the task, doing my efforts for English speaking, but still I am feeling hesitate, still I am not feeling comfortable in English. But you don't stop your practice and you don't stop your exercises what regularly you are doing. You just focus on your practice. One day you will become a fluent English speaker. It's not overnight journey. It's a journey after, for some period. It may be 3 months, it may be 6 months. It's different for person to person. So you just focus on your practice only. And remember one thing, that those people now able to speak fluent English, in their past time they also had a lot of problem, they also had a lot of hesitation, but they just overcome from their hesitation. They just keep practicing and now they are able to speak fluent English. You just see that people are speaking fluent English, but behind that they also had same problem which you are having now. So don't focus on your problems, just focus on solution. In our life we have all the situation, positive things and negative things. To speak fluent English, that is your goal, and to feel hesitation, that is your negative point. But you have to ignore your negative point. You don't focus on your negativity, just focus on your goal, that I want to be a fluent English speaker. It's okay, I feel hesitation, it's okay, it's normal. But over a period of time I will going to remove my hesitation. I will be confident, I will be fluent in English. How? If I feel same emotions with me, I am feeling hesitation, how can I speak, how can I do, it will not going to help me out and all. It will really not going to help you out. You always remind yourself, yes, everyone can do, I can also do, I can able to do it, I will do it, definitely I will be successful in my English speaking journey. You should remind yourself, and that will going to help you in your English speaking journey. Nothing than that. You always think, you always consider, and you always keep in your mind that your only fear and your hesitation is pulling you back. They are not allowing you to go, you success, you go in the way of success. They are always pulling you back. What do you want? You want to come back from your journey, or you want to go ahead? Definitely you all want to go ahead, and that's why I'm telling you, you just focus on your practice. Whatever practice you are doing now, always focus on that practice only. You will have a lot of problems, you will have a lot of obstacles in your way, but this is our journey, and in our life we have some positive and negative things. We have to balance that things, and we always have to focus on positivity. So friends, don't feel about uncomfortness and hesitations about speaking English. Also, the most important problem we all face in the beginning, that is mistake. How to overcome from our mistakes. Initially you will do a lot of mistake. You are doing mistake, that means you are taking some step, you are doing some work. Nothing wrong in it. Just focus on your work. After mistake you are going to learn something. And that's why don't repeat the same mistake again and again, but you are doing different mistake. That means you are learning something new things. Initially you will do a lot of mistakes, and everybody does, no problem, and don't feel uncomfortable and don't feel shame about you, because it's natural. You are doing something new thing, you are learning new skill, communication skills, speaking skills. So in the initial stage you will do a lot of mistake, it's okay, but don't stop the way you are working, the way you are practicing. Just focus on your practice, because what happen, as per my view, what happens when we search any information, like I want to be a fluent English speaker, so what I will do, I will just go on the internet, I will just search video on the YouTube, on the internet, or I listen podcast and all. When I open, I listen a video, and in that video everyone trainer and every English speaker is speaking in very nice way. So what we think that he is speaking in very nice way, but I can't. We are only focusing on current situation. He is speaking in very nice way, but in past he was also same like you. It is your initial stage, and he has crossed his initial stage. Like me, I was in my past also not able to speak any single word in English, because I was always comfortable in Marathi language. But after some time I realized that I have to speak in English, so I started by my own oneself, and I just keep on practicing. I don't give importance about that obstacles and some peoples and their judgments and all. No, I just focus on my speaking, and still I'm not I'm not telling all of you that I'm a fluent English speaker. No, I'm also in the English speaking journey, and I also want to improve my English, but I want to share my thoughts with all of you. Like, if you want to become English speaker, whatever things I have applied in my life, if I share that things with you, you can get idea, you can get some improvement in your life, and that's what I want to be share with all of you. So friends, don't stop your practice, don't feel hesitation, don't feel nervousness, don't give more importance about people's judgment, people reactions and all. Just focus on your speaking activity and just keep going on your practice. You will definitely get success in your speaking, English speaking journey. So thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye.